Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her little sister Fox, chapter 25. So here it is. Let's read the story. To UNC right now, she already finished working. It was on Elk Duke Hotel. Finally, finished the work. Now she's stretching her hands. Finally, she can go and rest at home. Suddenly, UNC got called. Ah, Sister C, why did you come out? Where did you go just now? Her colleague seems to be worried about her. Well, UNC. Suddenly, she got notice. There's someone who's arriving. And now, she got really curious and got her attention. Well, wait a minute, isn't it right? We're exhausted here, and you run away to find other people to be happy. What nonsense are you talking about? UNC said to her. I'm going to apply for the Gian family personal bodyguard. UNC Asian Grey Wolf outfit. Well, looking at her, seems to be sure that she really wants to protect Injun. That's why right now you really want to go and apply. Vadi was taken away from you, particularly resisting to being personal bodyguard before. Right now, what happened? Times have changed. I want to earn more money to retire early and provide for retirement. I don't want to do anything but to work hard for someone else just for the small amount of money. If you weren't really worried about, don't worry about Xiaojun. What on earth are the Jian family doing? How they can raise a good fox to look so weak? Anyway, now I have changed my mind. Just tell me if there is any way to help me. There is no way to do this. It's not backdoor true. At Rest Relationship, submit your resume and wait for someone to call you for an interview. Right now, UNC seems to be surprised. Of course, she really can't believe. This is the recruitment website here. The Jian family is recruiting private bodyguards. Now, UNC seems to be surprised that there is condition to hire as bodyguard. Carnivore, bachelor degree or above, have a driver's license, speaks at least 3 languages, more than 10 years, veterans are giving priority for admission. What does this have to do with? It's a personal bodyguard. Hey, don't drop it. Don't drop it. This is my phone. Well, looking at UNC, she seems so much angry, that's why she's going to throw the phone of her colleagues. Right now, the two of them got interrupted. There's a luxury car parking in front of them. Now, they're really honking. Well, for UNC, she looked back to see who's the people. Hi, Wolf Cubs. The rich girl seems to be known her. That's why right now, she was calling them Wolf Cubs. Oh, it turns out it was the agency boss, and right now they're calling her boss. The two of them stand straight, and it seems that they're really respecting this girl. Well, for the girl, she was waving her hands. UNC comes up, Sibai runs after him. Oh, yes. Since Sibai follow UNC. Right now, what is the purpose of the boss who really came in? Now, she was thinking, why did the boss suddenly came? What is the reason? Even though she has some driver, the boss is a recognized geek in the industry. She says that he is very old, loves beauty, loves mahjongs, and of course loves money even more. Now, it really makes sense. However, no one can really take advantage of her. So it seems that the boss was really good at manipulating people, that's why. Especially anyone. Just heard that you are interested in Jian family personal bodyguard job. It's strange, you rejected so many opportunities before. Why are you willing now? So it makes sense. This is the reason why her boss came to into her. At that time, I was too young and young. I do not understand the benefits of money. It is difficult to enter the Jian family. Maybe we can take back door. From the boss side, Right now, she was really truth. The boss seems to be curious about her. The boss said, why don't I really believe it? To be honest, oh, it seems that the boss seems to be not convinced. Well, there's no need to hide this kind of thing, and seeing how smoothly Xiaojin kidnapped me before, maybe the boss already knew. Oh, this is it. Maybe the boss really can help her to get inside on Jian's family and become a bodyguard for Minjun. Jian family, there are people that I miss. Oh, she was really pertaining to the Minjun. Oh, I never thought that our 1,000 years old Iron Tree world bloom one day. So now, it really makes sense. Since the boss is really curious about her, maybe she can really help her to go inside and become the Jian family's bodyguard. Okay, let me tell you directly, it just so happened that since you want to go, there's so much, I will recommend you there directly. But this should be regarded as labor dispatch. Your employment agreement is still with me. I will share at least 60% of the salary paid to you by the Jian family. Oh, her cut-off is really too high. 60%? Sure enough, the boss can accomplish anything. Okay, wait for the notification to report to Jian's house. UNC finally agreed and said, okay boss. Sister C. Now, on the driveway, what did the boss say to you? Hey, Sister C. You look in a good mood right now. Of course, she can become closer. Minjun all the time. You look like to inquire about everything. It just happened that the job of joining Jian's family as a bodyguard was settled. Wow, Sister C, you are so lucky. Don't know what the Xiaojun's expression will be when she see me. It's that it's nothing else. Sister C, we asked your boss to give us a raise. Oh, it turns out, since the boss is greedy, raises is also delayed. Finally, after the long day, UNC can came home. It's time for her to rest. Well, it was really tiring day for her. Good sleep and rest is already she need. If you really let her go, there will be a trouble at Jian's house. So she won't come looking for trouble, right? Oh, it turns out the boss is getting tricky. Oh, is she really want chaos on Jian family? Trouble? Hump. I'm afraid that UNC and that the little fox may not cause enough trouble. Oh, the boss seems to be sure that UNC will really behave when she is with Minjun. If you, the old fox of the Jian family, dares to take advantage of me, I will let you make such a big mistakes in your own family. Oh, this is not good. Turns out the boss has some grudge on Jian's family. That's why he's doing these things to make chaos in the Jian family. It is like a little revenge for them. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership was already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can join by clicking the join membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Bye!